Hi guys, today I will teach you how to create Pinterest graphic, okay? So if you're into Pinterest marketing, you have to know that graphics is very important in Pinterest, okay? So I'll show you here. Here is my Pinterest account and you can see here these are the Pinterest pins, okay? So if you notice anything, the pins here are usually vertical, okay? These are long pins, okay? These are the pins that do well on Pinterest. Okay, these are long pins. If you can see here, this short pin, it looks ugly. Okay, short pins like this does not look good. Okay, so the pins that you want are long pins like this. Okay, 50 genius mom business ideas. Okay, because they are very eye catching. Okay, and also if you notice anything, um pins, okay, are useful. There's a lot of color pink, okay. It's because most users of Pinterest are women, okay, and they like the color pink here on Pinterest, okay. And if you notice the pins, they're very feminine in style. Okay, you can see here very feminine photos. Okay, color pink, lots of cursive and pink, and lots of pictures of flowers and pink notebooks. Okay, so that is the style of Pinterest pins. Okay, so now let's go back to Canva. And you can see here there's a template for Pinterest graphic. Okay, so if you can see here the size, it's 735 pixels by 1102 pixels. Okay, so we will not be using that size. Okay, I will show you why. So let's just click this Pinterest graphic template. Okay, and as you can see here, there are many different templates. Okay, so let's just choose one. Okay, so here's an example of a Pinterest graphic template, and I will show you why it's not advisable to use this size. Okay, so let's go here to my Pinterest account, and you can see here that this one, okay, which is the same as this one, okay, it looks short. Okay, it does not look that good because it's short. Okay, it's a short pin. It's better to have like this, how to make squeeze pages using templates. This is a long pin. Okay, this is ideal for Pinterest because it is better to have long pins on Pinterest because it's much more noticeable. Okay, because short pins, small pins, they get ignored. Okay, pins have to be vertical. Okay, so um, I advise you that this is the size for Pinterest graphic dimensions. Okay, so I'll just show you the size. It's 441 pixels by 1199 pixels. Okay, this is my recommended size for Pinterest graphic so that you will have a long pin. Okay, 441 pixels by 1199 pixels. Alright, so as you can see here in Canva, that is not the size of Pinterest graphic. Okay, so we will be using custom dimensions. Okay, so you can see here create a design. Okay, just click create a design, and then you can see here on the upper right corner there is use custom dimensions. So just click that. Okay, and then the size is 441 by 1199. So let's type that 441 and the height is 1199 and then click design. Okay, so this is going to be a custom dimension. All right. Hi guys, so today we're going to create a menu, okay? So if you have a restaurant or a catering service, this would be useful for you, okay? So first, let's scroll down and go to the marketing materials section and then click menu, okay? So the size of the menu is 8.5 inches by 11 inches, which is the size of your regular short bond paper, okay? So here are some menu templates, okay? You just change the photos and change the words. Okay, just edit this. Okay, so let's look for other templates. Okay, so again, you can change the font, the colors. Okay, you can make it yellow, blue. Okay, whatever you want. Okay, so let me just choose another template. Okay, click replace. Okay, so I chose this menu template because I want to add some photos. Okay, and I want to teach you how to use frames and grids. Okay, so uh, let's just first drag this menu items on the right, and then let's go to element section here. Okay, click elements and then click frames. Okay, so we will not just be adding a photo, we will be adding a frame. Okay, so here are the different designs of the frames. Okay, so let me just scroll down because I want to have a circular frame. Okay, so let me just drag this frame. Okay, so let's make this smaller, and I want to copy this frame, so just click copy. Okay, so the menu items here we have crispy fried chicken, okay, mixed fruits, etc. Okay, so let me just look for a picture of a fried chicken. Okay, so to do that, you just go here on the left top section, click search, and then type uh, fried chicken. Okay, so here are some pictures of fried chicken. As you can see, some are free and some cost $1. Okay, so if you don't want to pay $1 and if you don't want to use the free pictures here, again you can go to pixabay.com, which is where you will find royalty free photos. And let's see if they have a fried chicken photo here. Okay, so let's just look. Okay, so here are some fried chicken photos that you can use for free. Okay, but for the purpose of this exercise, I'll just copy the fried chicken photo here from search. Okay, so as you can see that the photo follows the shape of the frame. Okay, if the frame is circle, then the photo will be circle. If the frame is triangle, then the photo will be triangle. Okay, so now another menu item here is mixed fruits. So let's just look here, fruit. Okay, so now let's drag the photo of some fruits. Okay, so that is how you use a frame. Okay, so I want to add show you some other examples of frames. So let me just copy this page, and you can do that by clicking here. Okay, you can see the number here, the number 1. If you go below that, there is copy this page. Okay, so just click that, copy this page, and it will copy that page. Right, so I just want to delete the items here, so I'll just click it and then delete. Okay, delete element. Let me just delete this first. Okay, so now I want to add another frame. So let's just go back again to elements here on the left side, and then let's click frames. Okay, and let me just choose a frame. Okay, so I want to change this text here to fruits. Okay, so now let's look for pictures of fruits and just drag the pictures on the frame. Okay, so that is how you use frames. Okay, so let me just finish this. Okay, okay, so it will automatically resize itself. The picture will automatically resize itself to fit on the frame. Okay, so let me just show you another example of how to use a grid. Okay, so for this, let's add a new page. So here on the bottom, you can see add a new page. Okay, so just click that, add a new page, and a new page will appear. Okay, so now let's go back to elements and then click grids. Okay, click grids, not frames. Okay, and here are the different grid templates. Okay, so let's just drag one of these templates here, and let's go back again to the search, and let's copy some pictures of fruits. Okay, so it will automatically resize itself to be on the grid. Okay, so let's add another picture. Okay, so this is useful if you want to create a magazine type of page. Okay, so again, there are many templates here for the grids and the frames. Okay, so let's go back to frame. Okay, so let's add another photo, add a new page. Okay, so let's go back to the frame and I'll show you some other frames, okay, that might be useful. So here's a frame of a cell phone. Okay, so let's just drag that. Okay, so as you can see, it's on the back, so we need to arrange it. Okay, so you can see this is the frame of a cell phone. Okay, so let's put the picture in there. Okay, or if you need a frame of a laptop, then that is also possible. Okay, so there, let's just delete this first. Okay, I want to change the color of the background to a yellow color. Okay, so there's also a frame of laptop. Okay, this could be useful. Okay, so let's add some photos here. Okay, so that is how you use frames and grids, right? Okay guys, so now I've taught you everything about Canva, and now you are ready to create any design that you want. Okay, so let's go back here to what can we design. Okay, resume, so let's just go over that and click here, resume, on the document section. Okay, so the principles are just the same. Okay, just choose the template that you want. Okay, and then just edit the template. Okay, so for example, this template, let's make this bigger. Okay, you can zoom here. Alright, so let's change the color. Okay, and then you can change the text, you can change the font. Okay, and then you can change the pictures. Okay, so let's just type woman. Okay, let's look for a picture of a woman here. Okay, so you can change the details. Okay, so everything is just the same. How to edit this, all these templates is just the same. Okay, so now let's go back. Book cover. Okay, let's choose a book cover. Okay, so as you can see, it's very easy to use Canva. Okay, let's just again choose a design template. Okay, you can design anything in like a few minutes or even a few seconds. Okay, so let's upload some, let's change the background. Okay, let's just use this background. Okay, let's just stretch that, and then let's just change the text into girl diaries. Okay, so as you can see, that is so easy and that is so fast. Okay, so just make this like that. Okay, so that is how you can easily design using Canva. Okay, so again, here are all the rest of it that you can design: CD covers, infographics, menu, poster, brochure, Facebook ads, and many more. Okay, so all the templates here you can use, and that is all. Okay, so now you know the principles. You can apply the principles that I've taught you to design any template here in Canva. Okay, so I hope you learned something from it, and I hope you can apply it and just make any kind of graphical design you want using Canva, right? Thank you very much. Hi guys, so we're here inside Canva, and here you can see the different types of graphics that we can create. Okay, so here in the social media post, we can create different types of graphics such as Twitter posts, Pinterest graphic, okay, for Facebook, Tumblr, and Instagram posts. Okay, so if you're into more formal documents, we can create a US letter size document. Okay, PowerPoint presentation, A4 size document, letterheads, magazine covers, certificates, resume, and yearbook. Okay, so if you're an aspiring author or a blogger, there's also some designs for you, such as book cover. Okay, so this is an actual book cover, not just an ebook. Okay, this is for real hardcover book. Okay, and there's also Wattpad book cover, which if you're a writer on Wattpad, which is platform for writers. Okay, you can create a Wattpad book cover, or if you have a blog, then you can design a blog banner. Okay, CD cover, infographics. Okay, and if you have a business, then there are also marketing materials for you. Okay, you can create posters, menus, flyers, logos, brochure, gift certificate, business card, and label. Okay, and if you're into social media, there are also some graphics for you, such as Facebook event covers, YouTube thumbnails, Tumblr banner, YouTube channel art, Twitter header, Google header. Okay, and if you have a shop on Etsy, okay, then you can also have an Etsy shop cover. Okay, so as you can see, there are many different types of graphics you can create using Canva, and you can create almost any graphic. Okay, I can just say almost. Okay, not everything, but most of the graphics you need to design is available on Canva. Okay, so if you're into ads, you can also have Facebook ads, and there's also different banner ads available. Okay, there's the white skyscraper ad, large rectangle ad, and leaderboard ad. Okay, these are all banner ads. Okay, if you're into advertising for Google, then there's different banner ads. Okay, so now let's create social media graphic. Okay, because you can see here at social media posts, there are different kinds of social media posts such as Twitter, Pinterest, Facebook, etc. But we will create generic social graphic, which you can use for any type of social media. Okay, so let's click this social graphic, and the dimension for this is 800 pixels by 800 pixels. Okay, so let's just click that. Okay, so this is social graphic. Okay, so here on the left side you can see the different templates available. Okay, so let's just choose template. Okay, you can see here, for example, scroll down. Okay, let me just choose. Okay, there are many beautiful templates available here. Okay, for example, this one. Okay, so we can change the text. Okay, just click the text and we can just change it. Okay, for example, I'll just change that to this. Okay, and if you want to delete some text, just click it and then click this delete icon on the upper right corner. So let's just delete that. Okay, and let's just adjust the size. Okay, so just highlight this and then click here on the numbers. Okay, and then let's make it smaller. Okay, so we want to change the background color. Okay, so just click this background. Okay, actually this is this yellow, this brownish yellowish design. You can also change that. So just click here on the color, pick a color, and we can change that to different colors. Okay, so if you don't like any of the available colors here, just click this plus sign here and you will be led to a color picker. Okay, so you can choose the specific color that you want. Okay, for example this, and if you have a specific color code, then you can just paste it here. Okay, so I'll show you the color code. So let's go to Google. Okay, and look for color picker. Okay, so there will be different available results here. So let's just click this HTML color picker from W3 Schools, and you can choose a specific color, because here here the color picker here is a bit hard to use. Okay, because it's looks a bit mixed up, so we can just choose this color picker. For example, you like a specific color, for example this one, then you can see the code. Okay, the color code is here. Okay, with the asterisk sign and the color code. So if you like this color, okay, for example this color and this color, just choose the color code. Okay, just copy the color code. Okay, and then paste it here in the color code section in this box. Okay, just paste it. Okay, alright, so this looks similar to the one earlier, so let's choose a different color code. Okay, copy the color code and then paste, click the plus sign again and then paste the color code. Okay, so if you want to change the background, click here on the left section, click background, and then choose the background color that you want. Okay, so there are different background colors. You can also scroll down and you can see that there are different background designs. Okay, that is not just a plain color. Okay, you can see here, just click here. See, you can choose different background designs. Okay, just scroll down. These are all free. Okay, okay, just scroll down. There are many different gradient designs available. If you don't like the plain color, okay, there's for example this pink one. Okay, alright, so you can also upload a custom background. Okay, if you don't want this, then there are also pictures, but you can see here on the left section there's it says $1. Okay, if you choose this pictures with that says $1, you need to pay $1 to use this. Okay, so for example, let's just click this, the flower design that says $1. You can see here there are some grids. Okay, if you can see it, just these grids here, these are the watermark. Okay, this is the watermark, and it means that you need to pay $1 for it. Okay, because if not, the watermark will stay in there. Okay, so to remove the watermark you need to pay $1. Okay, but you can choose the free designs because there are many free designs like this. So you can see here there is no watermark. Okay, so once you're happy with the design, you can just click download and you can choose JPG, PNG, or PDF type of download. So for example, I'll just choose JPEG. Okay, and then click download. Okay, so it's still preparing the design. Okay, okay, so you can see that the design is downloaded here. So I'll just click here and you can see that this is the social media post that we made using Canva. Okay, so there's also different design. So if you want to go back to the templates, just click here on the section that says layouts. Okay, on the left side it says layouts, and you will go back to the different layouts. Okay, for example here, then choose the design you want and then click replace. Okay, so that is how you create a social media post using Canva.